wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best Gundam model kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The gold frame astray amatu mina comes with all of the mecha's signature weapons and has a sleek form that allows it to accommodate a wide range of action stances. The included wires let you pose the Maga no Shirahoko spears in mid-attack. It comes with a retractable left arm claw and stands taller than other HG models. However, some of the parts don't fit tightly. At number 9, this banshee norn unicorn comes in the highly sought-after destroy mode configuration, featuring lots of appealing translucent orange highlights in the frame. It doesn't include an action stand, but considering its low cost, you'll have enough money left over to buy one. It does include a shield and a blaster gun, and comes with a few extra parts, but it is a complicated build. Coming in at number 8 on our list, there's an undeniable charm to the squat figurine you'll build using the HG gusion. And of course, the character's massive asteroid blasting hammer is a prized accessory. Its open hands can be fitted with many other items as well. It comes with a submachine gun and can be assembled rather quickly. However, it is smaller than most other options. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Gundam model kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the 1/144th scale astray blue frame figure is rather easy to assemble despite its complex appearance, making it a good choice for the newcomer to the world of Gundam models. The kit comes with detailed step-by-step instructions. The sword can be held in either hand, and it requires only minimal painting, but the ball joints are a little loose. Moving up our list to number 6. The HG Orphans Barbatos Iron-Blooded is a replica of one of 72 Gundam used in the Calamity Wars. The kit includes a giant mason katana, so it can be posed in some epic melee fighting positions, and it comes with a bunch of stickers, so it looks cool even without paint. It offers a simple building process, and is almost as high quality as RG models. However, the joints are a little too prominent. Halfway up our list at number 5. The hgbf Denial Fighter features a stunning mane of hair wrought in semi-translucent lavender plastic. This figure is articulated for easy movement, but is at its best when perched on a shelf or desk as a striking decoration. It comes with multiple decals and an official Bluefin distribution logo. It stands stably in several poses. At number 4, the HG Transient Glacier is a complicated but satisfying challenge that serious model enthusiasts will embrace with zeal. It contains a bunch of cool translucent parts, and most people will be able to complete its construction with about 2 hours of dedicated time. It comes with dual lances and a stand. It only requires clippers and sandpaper. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The heavyarms VW Master Grade is an aggressive-looking option armed to the teeth with a giant Gatling gun and too many missile pods to count. All of its components snap securely together, so there's no need for potentially messy glue. It also includes a combat knife and sports vibrant coloring. It stands 8 inches tall. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Gundam model kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Bandai Hobby hguc Revive is one of the absolute top sellers, and for multiple good reasons. One is its low price, and another is the figure's many fine details, which are rendered with precision and care. This statuette is almost endlessly posable. It includes beam sabers and is built to a 1/144th scale. It's ideal for beginner builders. And coming in at number 1 on our list, you're going to want to set aside an entire afternoon before you commence constructing the Epyon VW Master Grade, but you will be left with a stunning model that can transform from a mobile suit configuration to dragon flight mode. It's equipped with fully articulated joints and no painting is required. It's a great gift option. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Gundam model kits, or simply click beneath this video.